I want to kill him. This is the 26th. Hang on, let's put it on it. 26th of the 11th, 2008. Good gosh. I have to talk in between snoring. Horrible, isn't it? Oh. Terrible. I've got another dead one over there, watch. Oh, I can't get him. Look. But he is dead over there. In fact, I'm going to turn the light on. Oh, turn it off.
You know who part of your child is. The DNA test to be answered to your problem. Well, you can text the word call to let your name this number, please. It is 6 or call my team now on 09.
Oh, don't want to kill him. He's trying to pull off.
And believing rumours. Stephanie says that these claims are ridiculous, that the baby is a double of her brother Jason, and she wants him to stand up to his responsibilities today. Let's get Stephanie on the show, guys. So you've dragged them along today. Let's just talk about Jason and Kerry. They're both 17, 14 months old son, and also, why do you bring it up?
Jesus, guys, gonna put me up. Trying to watch Jeremy. Come on. Come on. Come on, cunt.
Why? Because of the adult.
Sorry, Shaggy's just come back. You didn't know you were snoring like you were. In your glasses. I am.
No, you're not taking a picture of either.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hours. Where's your glasses?
What?
Where's your glasses? I got you on Shaggy. I can't wait to get Shaggy. I can't wait to get you both on YouTube. You're right. It's your glasses. I need an itch. Go on. Go on, lay back. You was tired. Go on. I've got your tongue sticking out and everything. Go on.
No.
Go on.
Okay, not now. Wake up. I wake up.
Oh, wait, no. Yeah, let's see Shaggy snoring. Shaggy's not snoring. Shaggy's all like sound asleep and looks cute. God, you look like a sorry ass. You really are.
Yeah.
Snore a bit more, please.
Yeah, what's all this?
Come on, 'cause I haven't recorded you. Oh God, is it just guys? It's all so quiet. It's so still. But soon again, that's another big riot. You can't stand. Go on. Yeah. Okay, you're not going to go again then. Okay, I'll turn it off and...
What is that little for?
I don't know. I'm going to turn it off now. Come on, body laps and the freebirds.
What?
Very slowly explain this to me. You had a 14-month-old son. You are 3 months pregnant. You are with Jason. We've acknowledged the fact that during one or both pregnancies he was away for a time, whether it's because of what you said or he said, I don't know, right? Does he doubt that he was last to your baby?
Your head has no size.
No, it's so funny. Actually, it is fucking goddamn funny. I'm sorry for the swearing, but gosh, bleeding hell. Ew. And it's the English Nora.
See, people who spread malicious gossip and rumours aren't worth anything. They do it because they're so sad and boring, they have nothing better to do. And the best way to treat people like that, and bullies, and exaggerate gossip, is not get involved in a friendship, because then you won't work them out.
Yeah, I will later. Yeah, I'll turn off the light. Yeah, I'm gonna. Show me your belly then, and I'll turn off the light on it.
What?
Show me your belly then, Dad, and I'll turn off the light. Hang on. Oh my God, pregnancy is on the... Pregnancy, you know, in Nottingham is so bad. Look at that. It's like triplets. How do you feel? You feel alright about it? What, about the pregnancy in Nottingham?
Oh, I got my food.
Hey, nuts, you get shit if you're pregnant, man, and you won't get cancer. Right, I've got to go now. Say bye-bye. No, you have to say bye-bye. You have to wave, Dad. There you go. Dad looks like a flittermite. I shouldn't have said that. It's horrible. Oh my gosh. Sorry, Dad, it's your fault. You brought me up really wrong. Go, come on, Snorra. Go back to fucking sleep, man. See, my language is bad. It's atrocious.